Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. First of all, before trying to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi issues, make sure that other devices around you that use the same Wi-Fi router have free access to the internet. So check the router by using internet on your smartphone, your other laptop, your tablet, your PC, or whatever. And if none of them has this issue that you have on your laptop, then you can continue troubleshooting on this laptop. So let's start with checking the basics. So let's simply go to the control center and try to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. Just click the Wi-Fi icon right here in the control center. Then click it once again to re-enable Wi-Fi and let your laptop simply reconnect to it. Okay, if this didn't help, then also a restart might help. In order to restart your device, you're gonna have to select the power options in this menu, expand them, and select restart, and then let your laptop reboot. After the laptop is restarted, what we can do is go back to the control center, then go to the network menu, select the network that you are connected to, and let's try to reset this particular network by simply forgetting it like this and then reconnecting to it. So let's expand the Wi-Fi menu, let's select this Wi-Fi network, enter the password to it, and let your laptop reconnect. Now this might also not help you if the previous steps didn't, so your device might still not get connection from your router. And in such cases, you should go to the system performance, into system preferences on your sidebar, and here you're gonna have to select safety reset at the very bottom. Now this will not erase your file, it might just fix the network issues. So confirm safety reset and then wait for about a minute until it's done. Now once it's completed, click done and then check your Wi-Fi once again. And if this didn't help you, then let's perform a network diagnostics and see where the problem lies. Let's click the settings icon right here in the control center and let's go to About Chrome OS. Here in About Chrome OS menu, open Diagnostics and then go to Connectivity. Then let your device run a network test and let's see where the problem is. So if the local network test passed, that means that your network card is working properly and you most probably don't have any hardware issues with your laptop. If name resolution passed, that means that your software is also alright. If Wi-Fi passed, that means that your router is working properly, and internet connectivity will only pass if your router has the internet access. So putting it the other way around, in case internet connectivity didn't pass the test as the last one, that means that there is simply no connection between your router and the outer internet, and that means that you should contact your internet provider in order to reestablish connection, maybe verify your data plan, or do a research about what's happening on the internet provider side. If your Wi-Fi didn't pass the test, then it means that something is wrong with your router and you should try to restart it. If name resolution didn't pass the test, it means that you should update your software. Now in order to do this, we're gonna need to use internet. Yeah, if you have a Wi-Fi, if you have a router, try connecting to it using a LAN cable, and then I'm gonna show you later in this video how to update software on your computer. And if local network didn't pass the test, that means that something's probably wrong with your network card. Either it might be a software or a hardware issue, but this isn't good. So if in such case, you should perform a software update, and if software update doesn't help you, you should definitely reach out to your the ACER customer support service and tell them about this issue. So now, in order to update software, you're gonna have to go back to About Chrome OS, make sure that you have some alternative way of internet connection. So, as I mentioned before, a LAN cable would be a good substitute. And now I know what you might think, that this laptop doesn't have an Ethernet port, and it's a good point, but you can use a hub for your laptop in order to connect it directly to the router using the internet cable. So a hub might look something like this, and it must have the Ethernet port. And if you connect your laptop using such hub, so on one side we have the USB-C cable, and here I have the HDMI cable, but I also have another one with the with the Ethernet port, cable port. So yeah, basically you use this side to connect it to your laptop, and the other one to connect the Ethernet cable, and it works seamlessly. And now here, check firmware updates, and just make sure that your Chromebook is up to date. Okay, and that's basically all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.